Welcome my dear students, how are you all? I think you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIVS Home School. This is Muhammad Al Yamin Apu, an assistant teacher in mathematics, National Ideal English Version School morning shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of class nursery. Our today's topic is write in words part 2. In part 1 we have learned from 1 to 5 the words. Today we will learn inshallah from 6 to 10. Our lecture number is 7 and you have a homework. Your homework number is also 7. The students look at the question. The question is write in words from 6 to 10. I repeat, it's write in words from 6 to 10. This means that we will write down from 6 to 10 the spelling of the numbers. And the first number is 6. What is the spelling of 6? It's S-I-X, 6. I repeat, it's S-I-X, 6. It's S-I-X, 6. Now, it's S-I-X, the first number is 6. Now, today's next number of 6 is 7, which you should write down in the next box. The spelling of 7 is S-E-V-E-N, 7. The spelling of 7 is S-E-V-E-N, 7. S-E-V-E-N, 7. I repeat, it's S-E-V-E-N, 7. S-E-V-E-N, 7. After 7, the number comes which is 8. The spelling of 8 is E-I-G-H-T, 8. It's E-I-G-H-T, 8. E-I-G-H-T, 8. After 8, the number comes which is 9. The spelling of 9 is N-I-N-E, 9. It's N-I-N-E, 9. The spelling of 9 is N-I-N-E, 9. N-I-N-E, 9. And today's last word, that means the next number of 9 is 10. The spelling of 10 is T-E-N, 10. The spelling of 10 is T-E-N, 10. It's T-E-N, 10. Now I am repeating all the numbers from the starting point is 6, the first number here. The spelling of 6 is S-I-X, 6. After 6, this is 7. It's S-E-V-E-N, 7. After that, it's 8. It's E-I-G-H-T, 8. Then it's come 9. It's N-I-N-E, 9. And the last number is 10. It's T-E-N, 10. I hope, dear students, you have understood how to write down these spellings. To write down these spellings, we need to know the alphabets very carefully. We need to understand the alphabets. And you have a homework. I repeat this homework again. Your homework number is 7 and homework is same. This means that which I have learned in the CW class today in the YouTube, you should do this one as your HW, and you can submit all of your HW from every Saturday from 9 AM to 3 PM. See you again inshallah in the next class. Till then, Allah Hafiz.